Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Quickbooks Unrecoverable error. Start by closing QuickBooks and creating a local backup of your company file. Next, run Verify Data, then rebuild data if issues appear. Check for network or antivirus interference and open the file locally to confirm integrity. Update QuickBooks to the latest release and use the File Doctor tool if corruption persists. Follow each step calmly and methodically. In this video, I will show how to fix QuickBooks Unrecoverable error. First, run QuickBooks File Doctor to scan for common issues and repair them automatically. If problems remain, use Verify Data to identify specific errors and then rebuild data to attempt corrections. Always work on a local copy to avoid network interference. Log any error messages and move stepwise through fixes to avoid skipping critical diagnostics. In this video, I will show how to fix QuickBooks Unrecoverable error. If rebuilds fail, restore the most recent reliable backup to minimize data loss. When partial corruption exists, export lists and transactions into a fresh company file to salvage records. Use third-party recovery services only after careful vetting. Keep detailed notes of each action and consider working with an accountant to verify financial data integrity.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.